So here it is, guys. Here is the bag that I got from Hermes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new here or just visiting, welcome. I'm Myra and I would love for you guys to consider subscribing here on my channel and help your girl reach 2,000 subscribers this year. So for today's video, as you guys can see on the title, I will be doing an unboxing of the cheapest item that you can buy at Hermes, which is one of the most expensive and most famous designer brands out there. And so if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So here it is, guys. Here is the bag that I got from Hermes. And thank you for watching. Obviously, it won't be a purse or a wallet or a coin purse, any SLG of some sort. Even their perfumes are pricey, or yeah, obviously I wasn't able to get anything of the nice stuff from Hermes. Even their accessories, shoes, everything are quite pricey. You know how crazy their prices are. So yeah, I'm sorry to disappoint, but this item right here will be really funny and ridiculous, I think, because I searched online and also I asked the SA from the Sydney boutique on purchasing the cheapest item from Hermes. And yeah, I had a funny look from her, to be honest. But yeah, I purchased these when my mom bought her first Hermes bag, so I wasn't that embarrassed to ask for it, if you know what I mean. Well, anyway, here it is. Let's just proceed with the unboxing. So inside the Hermes shopping bag, first thing is the receipt. I'm not sure if it's picking it up, but yeah, I think it's getting washed out anyway. But yeah, the receipt's inside, and here's the proof. I actually purchased it on October 21, 2017 at 11:49 a.m. And yeah, here it is. The price of this, by the way, is $40, including tax. So in Australia, we pay the products including tax. So it's 40 AUD including tax. So the second item that I got here is a little sample. The SA was really nice to include this as well, and it's a, I'm not sure what it is actually. Let's open it up together. And ooh, okay, so inside that orange box is this guy right here, which is a perfume sample, and it says Santal Masoa. Sorry, I'm probably butchering that, and yeah, I'm not good with French, but yeah, anyway, here it is, and let's just give it a bit of try. And it actually smells good. It's more manly than female scent, but anyway, too bad, I've already sprayed it on myself. So yep, anyway, that's it. And dun, 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 dun. Here it is, guys. Here is the product. It is a perfumed soap. So this is the cheapest item that Hermes sell on their website and on the boutique as well. And yeah, it's a soap. $40 AUD including tax. You can buy a bath soap from Hermes. And if you open it up, so this is a real unboxing, okay? Oh, by the way, it smells really good. It smells amazing. Ooh. That's just how it looks like. Oh wow, it's a big round soap, and here it is. That's just how it looks like. It smells really good. Let's just see. Can't believe I'm opening a $40 bath soap. Wow, this is really expensive. But anyway, So far so good. The smell is really divine. And can you see that thing in the middle? I'm not sure if it's actually two soaps in one or just one. Anyway, well, yeah, it's just one, and it's getting washed out again. So here it is, guys. Here is a closer look of the soap. As you guys can see, it says there Hermes Paris. It's perfectly round in shape, and I wish that you guys can actually smell it, because to be fair, it actually smells really good. But yeah, I'm actually allergic to soaps with a lot of chemicals, so considering that it's from Hermes and it's $40, I hope that it's really good and I'll be able to use it on my skin, because I get allergy easily. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on my next video on this one. So just like I said earlier, I actually bought this item at the Hermes boutique in Sydney CBD, and if you would like to purchase it online, I don't think you'll be able to find it easily, because I tried looking it online, even on their home section, and even where it says bath, that category bath, I wasn't able to find it. So go on the search engine and type soap and you'll be able to find it. I'll insert a clip after my outro. And if you guys are really interested as well, I will put the link down below, so it's much easier for you guys to search for it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Paalam! Bye!